Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at different artist related options in our editor's menu. So let's jump right in. First up, we'll get into the app and head to settings. It'll ask you to enter your employee passcode. The default is 1234, or if you changed it, use your custom passcode. If you'd like to know how to set up a custom passcode, click the pop-up in the top right to watch the tutorial. Next, we're going to tap settings up at the top and enter in our master passcode. Once we're in the settings menu, we're going to scroll down until we find the editor's menu. This is where we can edit all of the different client and artist options when they're filling out the release forms. Today we're going to be looking at the jewelry list options. When we tap on it, we can see a list of all the different variables that we can edit. And when we tap on one of those, we can see a list of all the default options included with the app. From here, you can also add, remove, and restore to default. When you're done changing your settings, just tap save, and that's it. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.